trash right
I'm
there.
probably gonna regret that. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fucking neat.
Alright, everybody, welcome back. We are doing a chicken piccata today. This is Darren, cooking with a D, the original.
OG.
Sean, you guys know me. The asshole.
This is our third episode. Thanks for, if you made it this far, we appreciate it because you're obviously a fan of our work.
We always look forward to having fans. Fans are good.
So we switched up this time. We went from last two episodes. We're kind of going a little sweet on the dessert side. Tonight we're going a little savory. We're going with this. We're going with some good old fashioned dinner.
We want a dinner this time. Chicken piccata.
Oh, but
we're just drinking Sailor Jerry's tonight.
Good old Sailor Jerry's. It's good with the chaser of pineapple juice, where you can mix and make a cocktail, or good old Coca-Cola.
Simple, quick, easy.
Yep. Cheers.
Oh,
yeah.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with some chicken. We got it lightly seasoned with some pepper and salt. I actually wouldn't say too lightly with the salt. Darren went a little.
You want to be
overboard.
heavy with the seasoning. All good flavor starts with salt and pepper.
Went a little overboard. We'll see. It's probably going to taste bomb as fuck, but.
So, all these chicken breasts here, they're all chicken breasts, skinless, boneless. What did you do to them, Sean?
We had to butterfly them. We had to cut them in half. So what that's going to do, that's going to shave down your cook time, right? It's going to take half the time to cook them. It's going to be a much faster recipe. It's going to look much better. Dinner's going to be done sooner. And then we'll get it done.
It's also a little easier of a bite, too. A little bit smaller.
Easier to make it tender.
Those petite lips.
Those petite lips. Ooh, dirty. So, what we're going to do is we're going to throw them in some flour. Bring you on over here. Alright.
Let me get that Mickey Big Mouth.
The Mickey Big Mouth. We had to get that. In there.
Alright. Hold on.
Oh damn, this is heavy.
Alright guys.
Here, I'll just hold this.
Okay.
There you go.
Sean's got some chicken. We got some flour, all pea flour right here. So on the stove we got a saucer pan. Usually you want to use like a deep dish, whatever you got. If you got a Dutch oven or something a little bit bigger, something that's going to hold a lot of food. We got it preheated now. Let's crank it up. We're going to turn it up to about a medium-high heat. We got some just good old like EVO, extra virgin olive oil.
Did you just throw an acronym at the olive oil?
It's legitimate, dude. Look it up. EVO, extra virgin olive oil. We're going to add a little good old butter.
Oh God.
Now we're going with a little non-salted butter. You want to kind of control your salt, so don't buy stuff that has added salt in it. Get this melted, get all heat. When you put the chicken in there with bread, it's going to get greasy, it's going to get soggy. The hotter it is, it seals it up faster. Okay. So we're actually bumping her up to 6. It's okay, as long as I keep her moving. She's not going to brown yet. Yeah, I think we're ready. So we're going to take one of these breasts,
Breast right here.
Right her.
Everybody loves breast.
Put her in some flour. Give her a little shaky. You don't want that excess. And we're gonna lay it down in the pan. Lay it down away from you. I usually like to season the meat before you put in the flour. A lot of people season the flour. I don't feel like you get as good as flavor. Actually, let's go with 4. You don't want to overcrowd it. You don't want to steam it. You want to get a nice fry on that. So we'll let these guys go. It's going to probably take about 3-4 minutes each side till they're brown. Flip them once and then take them out. So we'll check back in a few minutes, guys.
So when you're browning these, Darren, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for some nice color, a little even distribution of heat, a little brownness on the edges, maybe a little bit more on this guy, a little bit here and there, but around in these areas is what you're looking for. Plus, if you look at our oil and butter, got a nice browning color good. We're getting some brown bits on the bottom. The flavor starting to build. It's all about laying your flavors. You start with the base and your final product. As long as you every layer just add more and more flavor, you're gonna have a great product.
Okay. All right. We got the chicken brown. Now we're gonna start working on the sauce. So, Darren, what does the sauce entail?
First thing is, if you take a look at our pan right here, we got all that, a little bit of olive oil, some brown butter, and all that brown chicken goodness. So this is beautiful. the base of any sauce.
That looks
so
gorgeous.
we're gonna use all this flavor that's in this pan right now for around the chicken, and we're gonna build our sauce from here. First thing I like to do personally, throw a little bit of garlic. Who doesn't fucking love? We're almost here, garlic. Gilroy, garlic capital of the world.
I love garlic.
I fucking love garlic.
Throw a lot of garlic. A lot.
Beautiful. Throw that garlic in there. Let's move her around a little bit.
Get that sizzling sound.
You want to cook garlic for about a minute. You don't want to overcook garlic because it'll start to brown and turn bitter. Garlic's pretty minced. We're gonna take some good old white wine. This is a good old Sauvignon Blanc. Don't use whatever you want to drink.
We're probably gonna regret that.
It doesn't have to be expensive. But we're gonna take that and deglaze the pan. We're gonna soak up all the good bits on the bottom. It spills some in the meantime.
So deglazing the pan, you're basically getting the chunks from the chicken, the fat, everything that's kind of burned in there. You're getting it all in that sauce. So it's gonna make that sauce nice and rich and flavorful for you.
It's all about adding flavor.
All about the flavor. That looks amazing.
Alright, it's looking pretty good. Let's get some capers. It's up to taste. I say about at least a half jar if you're not a fan of vinegar. I'm going to use the whole jar. It's going to be delicious. We got about a third cup, maybe a quarter cup of fresh lemon juice. And we're going to take some good old chicken stock. Between chicken stock and chicken broth. Chicken stock is brewed with the chicken and vegetables. Chicken stock is just the bones. So it's going to add more flavor. Add as much as you like, how much sauce you like. I like a lot of sauce, so I'm going to add a lot. Alright guys, we got the sauce. It's coming up to simmer, a nice little boil. Just really want to boil off that wine alcohol. We got a little butter. Butter is better. This is some non-salted butter, so we can control the salt. We add that in, it's going to add a nice richness and a little thickness in. Got that hot?
It's hot. It's out of 6.
Alright.
So right here we're gonna pour it in. We're gonna get burned.
Alright, we're good.
He did it without burning anybody.
It was hot. Let's kind of move the chicken to the broth. This will keep it moist. Where's that lid? Yeah, throw that lid on there. I'll keep it nice. Want to get it up to like a rolling simmer, kind of almost a boil. Whew. I got trash right
I'm
there.
probably gonna regret that. But that's what you do with the rest of your wine when you're done making your sauce.
Aiden! Knuckles. Yeah!
How is it, Darren?
All of your food, and then you can have another crouton.
Got some fettuccine alfredo, some chicken piccata,
Need a little extra lemon.
a little extra lemon.
Get the slice up there.
That's it. Everything else is golden, huh?
Can you get him the lemon thing?